Hello, and welcome to WheelsJoint. Today, I'll show you how to use the smart entry system in your Kia Sportage. I'll walk you through the process of unlocking, locking, and starting your vehicle using this convenient feature. Whether you're a new Sportage owner or just looking to better understand your car's smart entry system, this guide is for you. Let's get started. When you approach your Sportage with the smart entry key fob in your pocket or bag, the vehicle's smart entry system will automatically detect your key. To unlock the doors, simply press the button on the door handle, and the vehicle will unlock, allowing you to access your car effortlessly. To lock the doors, press the button again. Also, if you are within about 1 meter or 3 feet from the outside liftgate handle, with your smart key in possession, the liftgate will unlock and open when you press the liftgate handle switch. The hazard warning lights will blink twice to indicate that the liftgate is unlocked. Once you're inside the vehicle with the key fob, make sure the key fob is in the car's proximity. It can be in your pocket or bag. Then, depress the brake pedal and press the engine start-stop button near the steering column. The engine will start without the need for inserting a key or turning an ignition. It's a quick and hassle-free way to get your car running. Turning off the engine is just as straightforward. While the car is in park, press the engine start-stop button once. This will turn off the engine. It's a convenient and user-friendly feature that enhances your driving experience. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to WheelsJoint for more car tips and tutorials.